it's Allie, and today we are going to be trying another set of hair extensions. So these extensions were kindly sent over by Goo Goo Hair Extensions. I have worked with them in the past, and I figured it was time to try out another set. So I'm going to be trying them out today. They are a little bit different than the last set I tried. I will leave a link to that video down below or somewhere around if you want to take a look at that. I go a little bit more into depth. I give a little bit of tips and tricks on extensions. We are working with clip-in extensions, but this time they are going to be a little bit different. I had so much fun with them last time that this time around I wanted to go even longer, which I'm very excited about because the last set was very long and I decided let's go big or go home. So I'm going to be trying out, these are 26 inches. The last set I believe were 24. And I did also get a slightly different color. A little bit about Goo Goo, they are so good. I was very impressed with the set that I used last time. And a little bit of a background for those of you who don't know, I am a professional hairstylist. So I've worked with many different types of extensions on my clients, and I have played around with clip-in extensions on myself. What I really liked about Goo Goo in the past is that it was very, in my opinion, easy to color match just looking at the swatches online. They have over 42 colors, I believe. So there was a lot of variation. So different tones, different lengths, different styles, different type of coloring. So whether you wanted like a solid or highlighted or balayage. Today I'm going to be trying out the 4-26-4 balayage, and I believe, let me double check, chocolate brown to honey blonde balayage. The set that I used in the past I believe was like a caramel balayage, which matched beautifully. If you want to go ahead and take a look, I show it a little bit more in detail. But like I said, that was the 24 inch, and today we are going to be playing around with the 26 inch. How beautiful is that? So looking at the swatches and samples online, it did seem that this had a little bit more of brighter blonde in there, which I thought was really fun. What I think is really great for extensions is that you can play around with them and use them to add certain color to your hair without having to go in and add any type of damage like bleaching it or anything like that. Anytime you lighten the hair, you're removing color pigment, so you're going to compromise the hair a little bit. My hair is very dry and coarse, and yeah, I do have some pretty fresh highlights in that I've done on myself, but I thought this was a nice way of brightening it up and just holding it next to each other. I feel like that matches beautifully. So again, the set that I used in the past matched like perfectly. This looks like it's gonna match really nicely also, but just a little bit of that added brightness that I love to see without having to damage my hair, and a couple of extra inches, which you can never go wrong with a couple of extra inches. So let's get started. Let's see what we have. So I went ahead and opened it up. These actually are available on Amazon. I will leave a link to all of that down below. And Goo Goo is also kind enough to give me a discount code. I will go ahead and put it somewhere on the screen and in the description down below. But this is what the package looks like. It says Goo Goo, instantly longer, thicker hair. It's 100% real human hair. And again, I got the 26 inches. I took it out of the bag, but it did come in the bag. And it also included a set of extra clips, which is really nice in case any clips come loose. You can go ahead and sew them back on. Let's see what else it included. Let's take this out. Here's a little booklet, which is really nice that they include. Gives a couple of different tips and tricks on how to do it. Yeah, it gives a lot of nice little tips and tricks in there if you want to go ahead and take a look. And what else? Oh, here's my receipt. And they actually sent a pair of eyelashes. That's pretty cool. I'm not going to put them on today, but we have some falsies. I feel like it's a nice soft style. Doesn't seem too dramatic, which dramatic is fun, but that was a nice surprise. Some eyelashes. Cool. So when I really want to dress up, we can play with lashes. I love me some lashes. Okay. They also included this clip. which comes in handy. I love these types of clips, and it does say Goo Goo on there. Perfect. So we are going to be using that today to section off our hair. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and start it. Let's take this hair out. Oh my gosh, I love that. I feel like it matches perfectly. Just a little bit brighter, and it does match the brighter pieces that I have. Awesome. So I actually quickly went ahead and curled my hair. I'm going to put these in, and I'm going to curl it together with my hair to kind of blend them and see how that works. I like to kind of pull them out and organize it and kind of like map it out in my head. But that looks so pretty. Let me come up a little bit so you can see. This is the length of my hair now. My hair is long, but the ends are definitely lacking. But anyways, okay, so I like to map it out. Here we have a set of 4. And I do have my curling iron plugged in already, so we didn't have to wait too long. Oh my gosh, these are so long. They're so beautiful. The color looks really good. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start. I'm gonna start with the 3, a 4, a 3, 2, 2, and then put a couple on the side. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. You can use your clip to section it off, or like a comb or something. Either way is fine. I'm gonna go like that. The quality of the hair still feels really good. Okay, here's one row. Pretty. Okay, it'll look better. I'm gonna actually try to curl it as I go. So I went ahead and put in the first row, and now I'm gonna just take my curling iron. I believe this is a 1.5. And I'm gonna just kind of curl that with my actual hair. I feel like it just will blend a little bit better. You can obviously wear it straight, you can curl it, you can put it up if you want. Because this is real hair, you can use hot tools on it. So just, that's always a plus, because some extensions, if they have any plastic or if it's synthetic, any type of heat will make it melt. But you don't have to worry about that with these. I got a little crease in it. Let me smooth that out a little bit more. So pretty. I always think like, okay, my hair is long, it's getting there, and then I put these in. And then after putting my extensions, I'm like, oh, it needs to be that long. Pretty. Okay, so the other side. Obviously, I'm kind of going through these quickly. I don't want it like super curly. I just want like a little wave to it. So I am able to take larger sections, and I'm using a bigger curling iron to get more of that wave. You can see all of my little baby hairs growing back. Okay, obviously I'm gonna comb through this, but I'm gonna let it sit like that and go on to the next section. I mentioned this in my last video, but I like to kind of tease the hair. Sometimes I will go ahead and use like a dry shampoo or a hairspray. I feel like that just helps get a better grip, a better anchor. Today I'm kind of just teasing and going. And I do like to start with the middle and kind of work it out. I like to clip it in the middle, make sure it's nice and secure, and then work it out to the side. It's so funny because I feel like I said this in the last time too, and I truly feel this way. I feel like you can't even tell where my hair stops and where the extensions start. It blends so beautifully. Obviously you can tell the difference with like the length, but blending it like this, you can't even tell. It's like a perfect match. You can also like curl your extensions beforehand and kind of let them sit pinned and curled if you want. It'll also, I feel like, help hold the curl a little bit longer. But like I said, I like to do it as I go just because I don't want like a super tight curl. I want it kind of very casual, and like I just rolled out of bed looking like this with long, luscious mermaid waves. And I also like to kind of just blend it with my natural hair. Okay, see, like obviously this is my hair because it's shorter, but it matches perfectly. And again, I was able to match my hair perfectly the last time and this time, literally just basing it off of the swatches online. So obviously I'm using my extensions to add length and to match the color, but also add a couple of bright pieces without having to damage my hair. You do not need to use extensions just for length. You can use it to add thickness, add volume, add color, which is really nice. And they do offer tons of different length options, tons of different color options. So you will basically find your perfect match. I understand that not everybody likes or wants mermaid hair, but the fact that I can do this is awesome. Pretty. All right, a couple more. I love that it also fills in any gaps, like in the front where my hair is a little bit more sparse. There. Let's do this side. I think this color is so beautiful. I don't even know if you can tell on camera, but it's gorgeous. I was a little nervous going with the 26 inch. I was like, is that gonna be too long? But I don't think so. You might think so, but I don't. And it's fun. All right, I'm gonna put the last two. I like to put these like in the front. Okay, clip that aside. Cute. Gorgeous. So pretty. I was actually even thinking about going darker. And anytime I go darker, I'm like, oh, I miss my blonde. Let me know. What do you think? Should I go darker? And I'll just have to order another set of extensions and have some fun with it. That's in. Take this down. Let's see what we're working with here. Make sure none of your clips are showing, which I think I'm good. Okay, and I'm just gonna break through. Are you kidding me? I love. So you can't even see the full thing, but it's like, love it. So pretty. And it feels so comfortable. Like I can move my hair. It feels secure. Oh my gosh, I love, this is very long, but I love. So fun. Yeah, I will go ahead and insert some before and after shots just to compare. These feel good. Like it doesn't feel sparse. It doesn't feel too heavy, but it definitely feels like good quality. I don't think I ever want to take them off. Oh my gosh. So pretty. Give me a moment to just, admire this. I love. And look, you can like put it up and everything. Isn't that pretty? Isn't that fun? I don't know. I think so. I like it. Now that these are in, I feel like the match is gorgeous. I feel like the match is great. The color is gorgeous. It feels great in my hair. My hair feels so thick and long and luscious, and I love it. So again, there are more than 42 colors to choose from. You can always find your perfect color match for your hair. There are more than 11,000 real reviews for you to, scroll through. I don't know about you guys, but I love looking through reviews and helping me make my decisions. Sometimes it kind of makes me take a little too long with making decisions, but there are tons of real reviews out there for you to look through. Goo Goo has more than 6 types of real human hair extensions to choose from. So again, these are the clip-ins. They also have tape-ins, halos, wefts, tons of different kinds to choose from. And if you do have any questions or comments, they do have a professional customer service team to help you out. Again, I thought it was really easy to pick my color. I am a professional, but even I feel like if I wasn't, I can just look through the colors and pick what I thought would closely match my hair, and it would have been fine. So again, even with the last set that I got, color match perfectly. And this, same thing. Just, I want a little bit more length and brightness, and I'm obsessed. I love it. I feel like I want to wear these forever. So you can go ahead and check them out. You can check them out on the Goo Goo Hair official website, and you can also check them out through Amazon. I will leave that information down below. And again, a big thank you to Goo Goo for sending these hair extensions over to me and for offering a discount code to my viewers. So I'll leave that up here and down below. If you have any questions, if I can help you in any way, please feel free to let me know. I'd love to chat. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know what you think. Do you like them? Do you think they're too much? I don't. So even if you do, I don't. I like them. Share with me your thoughts and opinions. I hope that you enjoyed this. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, ring the bell, all that good stuff if you want. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.